And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, so this rain tapers tonight, pulls away, a little fog, low clouds, a couple spits of rain, drizzle overnight to tomorrow morning. And then the sun comes out towards midday. Clouds bubble up, and as this little disturbance right here, you see a few of these little pops, showers and storms, as this kind of pivots southeastward, that'll bring a few isolated showers and storms later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And then this system right here, this is the one that'll bring some storms in here a couple Friday late morning to afternoon. And then there'll be a little bit more widespread come Friday evening and Friday night. So tomorrow, 78 to 84. Still a little humid, but winds will be from the west-northwest. Low clouds, fog, a few spits of drizzle in the AM, and then the sun. And we bubble up a couple isolated storms in the afternoon. There you see the highs viewing area wide from the 78 at Logansport to the 83 at Petersburg. Friday it's 84 to 89, so it's warmer, it's humid, a little fog in the morning, 67, but it's going to feel like 92 with an 87-degree high during the afternoon. There are your highs: 84 Logansport, mid-80s Monticello, Chalmers, Brookston. We could get to the upper 80s at Attica and also upper 80s down here towards Petersburg. There's Futurecast tomorrow morning, and then there are the low clouds breaking up, going away, and here are a few little isolated showers and storms at 4:30 tomorrow afternoon. Even a couple around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. By 9:30, they're kind of fading and pulling away. For Friday itself, there could be a couple spotty storms late morning through the afternoon. For example, this is at 3 o'clock. A few very hit or miss storms you see around. It'll be muggy with the southwest wind kicking up, and then we watch areas to our northwest come Friday evening, because it does look like a little line of storms may form about right here and move southeastward through the area. That could have, at the very least, isolated severe risk with it, maybe a couple isolated severe gusts. It looks like now the better potential of severe weather is going to be kind of northern Illinois and just north of our area towards southern Michigan. That would look to be kind of a slight risk kind of area. We look a little more marginal or isolated the way it looks right now in our neck of the woods. Now, Saturday looks better. It's still fairly warm, but it's a hair less humid after a few showers in the morning. Sunday's not terrible, a little bit more humid. And then Monday it gets humid to muggy, and we've got a round of rain and storms that will come through. That blows through, then a break, cooler, less humid Tuesday, then it heats up again, more storms Wednesday, and perhaps another round on Friday. So more heavier rainfall in the forecast. Some severe weather risk at times, a little bit Monday and a little bit mid to late next week. So after the 87 on Friday, 83s for the weekend. Not bad. 81 on Monday, but it'll be humid to muggy on Monday. Less humid on Tuesday, 78 after 58 in the morning, and then some storms off and on mid to part of late next week. Before a week from this weekend, we turn cooler and less humid. Look at that. We're back down to highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. One thing I want to mention, once we get past about the 19th of August, I think we could have perhaps a 10 or 12-day stretch where we hardly get any rainfall at all, and eventually we'll have a late season burst of perhaps some 90s in the forecast.